Hey, what's up? Lamar, Chucks, and Booze here finishing up the library mailbox. I figured out what it's really actually called. Today I'm sipping on some 99-cent store Chardonnay. It's actually pretty damn good. Put a little bit of Sunny D in there because I'm a little bit bougie. But it's cool. It's still summertime. It's still hot today. So, I didn't want to go all full blown out wine. I need to mix it with something just to make sure that mood is right. So anyhow, today, what we are doing, we are adding a roof onto this bad boy. Then we have to waterproof it. And then if we have time, we'll go ahead and put on the door. If you can look at the box, you notice that it is smaller. I was measuring it up after we got finished. And I decided that shit was too damn big. I put it outside the house and it looked like it was an extra bedroom that I was renting out. So, we cut it down. Now it is 14.5 inches by wide. I don't know how tall it is because it's going to be taller once we get the roof on there. I figured out how to do the roof actually. And it's weird because after you sit down and think about something, I could have did this a totally different way and it would have been a whole lot easier. Like just building the A-pillar into the frame here. Would have been so much easier, but whatever. I'm just using scrap wood. So here we are. So we're going to throw this roof on. I'm going to take a couple more sips, get into my mood, and holla at you. Alright, so here we are. I went ahead and pre-cut some strips of wood. They are 18 inches long. I did wear a mask this time. I don't know what the hell I was thinking last time. I didn't have my mask on. All these damn bees around here. There's got to be a beehive somewhere. I'm going to just stay frozen. I've never been stung by a bee. Do not plan on being stung. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and pre-drill this. Alright, so as you can see, I'm doing an overlapping method. I don't know if that's what they do in real life when they're building roofs. Excuse me. But this is what I'm doing so that water can't get down in there, especially once I put the roofing tiles on here and finish this up. So I'm going to finish up these last two holes, put the screw in there, and I think this roof will be secured enough. I mean, that's what we got so far. Let's see what else we can do. Be right back. Alright, so what I did, I bought these little L brackets here from Home Depot. There's about, I don't know, like $2.50 for a package. And this is how I plan on securing the roof onto this library mailbox here. I don't know what I'm going to do about this area here yet, but whatever. We're figuring things out as we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bend these so that it fits the roof there. Boom, boom. Spin the last one here. Cool. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark them, drill the holes, and bolt them down. Alright, let's go get those bolts, get this thing bolted on. Alright, so I found a few bolts. I need 16. I was only able to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at least I can get the roof secured, and then I have to go back to the store and find some more bolts. Replenish my bolt drawer. Damn! But let's get this bolted up. These bolts just are not going to cut it. They're not long enough. I have to run to the store and come up with something. So that may conclude this video here. I forgot if I got the right stuff to put the door on. But if I do, I'll come back. If not, we'll see. Alright? Holla. Alright, so I'm back. Oh, the drama of wanting to chill after a long work week. But I hate to leave stuff unfinished. So let's go ahead and put this door on, at least get this part done. I went in the house, I chilled for a little bit, but whatever, let's get it done. So I got the door cut. It's at a little slight angle because I'm not a carpenter, I am not a architect person, I'm not a home builder, so this is not plumbed. So I cut the door at a little angle so that it's gonna close perfectly. So I got these little hinges again at the 99-cent only store. That store is off the chain as far as hardware that they have there. Even their wine, you know, that wine has got me feeling pretty damn good. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get this marked up right fast. I got these little hinges. From there, we're going to throw 2 hinges on here. We're just going to get everything buttoned up, but eventually I'm going to go to Home Depot and get that glass door, or the glass, and we'll cut a glass frame into there. But let's just get everything together right now. So let's go ahead and get this marked up. Hey, how are you?
It's coming.
That's cool. You want to pull it up right here?
I want to tell you something.
Yes. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to put this video on pause. After all, my neighbor, she's coming in, she's bringing in her van that she wants me to take a look at. It's leaking oil everywhere and these brakes and all of that good stuff. So let me look at that. We'll finish this up. Probably tomorrow is Saturday. I have time to kick it tomorrow. So we'll do that. We'll put the door on. I hate leaving a mess, but fuck it. We're going to leave this stuff all here, and then we'll tend to it tomorrow. Let me get my bins out of the way here so she can pull her van up here. Let's get it cracking. All right. Till next time, Chucks and Booze. Deuces.